Review has plenty of updated features when it comes to counts. Custom count symbols are available in Review 2017, and the process couldn't be easier. Let's say you want to make a custom markup, like this red square with a D on it, into a count markup to count all of the doors on your drawing. Select that symbol from the tool chest, right-click on it, and select Create Count. A new, identical count tool will be added to the tool set. You can utilize these custom count symbols, or any other count symbol for that matter, when using the visual search function to assist in your count processes. After searching for an item, you can check them, and under the Check Options menu, there is a flyout menu under the Apply Count Measurement to Checked option. That menu displays all of the built-in and custom counts currently saved to the active profile to choose to apply to that count. You may have noticed that this drawing is split up into spaces, distinct areas of the drawing that you can define to help organize data and markups. A new functionality available for counts is the ability to automatically split them across spaces. This creates a separate count for each space and ensures that counts are attributed to the correct space they are placed in. Counts are useful in that all of the counted items are summarized into a single markup. At times, however, you may need to split these counts up to apply different information to them or to distinguish between them. The Split Counts functionality allows you to split a single count or selection of count elements from its group, leaving two separate count markups. For example, if during the bidding process we know that one of these doors will change to a different specification, you can select them, right-click on the selected counts, and select Split Counts. That count is now a new count markup, which will allow you to change the symbol reflecting the new specification. In the event that you need to break out all count elements as single markups, right-clicking and selecting Split All creates an individual count for each markup in the group. This is handy for applying custom statuses or custom properties to each individual count item. But maybe you need to go the other way and bring multiple counts together. You can now merge counts, giving you the ability to fuse multiple count markups into a single markup. Just select two or more count markups, right-click, and select Merge Counts. They are then fused into a single count markup, and the overall count now reflects the total of the resulting count markup. In the event we need to measure and count commonly sized materials such as windows, doors, or concrete footings, width, height, and depth values can be added to count markups in the Measurements tab so you can perform calculations across multiple counts. Simply add the value for the count to the appropriate entry field in the Measurement tab. The width, height, and depth are automatically subtotaled based on the count. The updated Show Caption feature is now available on count markups. Select the count and open the Properties tab. Under Appearance, you can check the box marked Show Caption to show a label, width, height, area, length, volume, depth, and wall area adjacent to symbols within a count markup. Clicking on the Edit button next to the checkbox opens a drop-down menu that allows you to decide which of these measures are visible. If you Shift-select multiple captions, you can move them all at once. You can now copy and paste count markups. Select the count, copy it, and then paste it elsewhere in the document or on a separate document. The markup will appear in the same location grouping, though not necessarily the same place, with the same count value as the original markup. This is extremely useful in multi-level projects, along with paste in place, for example, to get quicker counts on similar floor plans.